You ready?
Yeah,
Okay, someone just put me cafe music. It's too loud, too loud. Come on. It's just only one item left, basically. And it's like I have to open for another 200, right? This case is for I think
Oh
I
my,
have
is
to
it 400? What the fuck?
400 case.
That's
But right
kind
now
of
I have
expensive.
like 120 cases left. Okay, so this case is for about 40 for 40 cases. 40 cases, yeah. 40 cases per month. If I didn't get the knife for until April, whatever, I quit this game. I fucking quit this game. The damage is so bad. The damage has been so bad that the scammers took over like almost everything. I don't want to get scammed again. I'll just leave it to it. So either if they open an operational two, I'm still in, but I'm still worried about the other side of so-called scammers. That is cheaters, of course. Cheaters and whatever. Scammers, cheaters, there you go. Killing really fast. It's screwing my life. They're getting smarter, I swear. Don't mind either either. It's always a resume over. You know the blue sea thing. Everything is a blue sea.
Wow. What the fuck? There's a new M4, is it?
Yeah, Edgelord. Oh, it's Star Trek too.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, and I have to fucking equip this shit. Out of one, how many? This is many ones. I just mine on the Star Trek one. Out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10% getting Star Trek. End to end. Let's try. End to end.
Oh, the M4 is really good, bro.
There's only 3 in a row, man. I'll get to another resume. XM10. My experience was so long this one. $500,000 bullets. Oh my god. Do I have to open 500,000 cases of this? Yeah, the probability is, yeah, average for about 400 cases. Or, wait, average of. I think I miscalculate. But it is at the first 100 case, 400 or more. And then doubt it's actually more than 400.
Wow, you opening for cookery, huh?
Yeah, just any kukri will fine because the Galleria case also will give you kukri knife if you pull a gold. But I want something really good, something really factory new. The best one you could have is the Fate. But since you know you, oh don't tell me it's the camera. You heard about the CoffeeZilla CS2 saga? You have a ninja. That is so wild. He nearly going to wreck the entire. Yeah, this guy, CoffeeZilla. CoffeeZilla, you heard of him? This guy almost single-handedly destroyed the entire Steam market. But it's for the greater good, just to make sure to keep the gamblers and scammers out of the way. Hello?
Sorry.
Yeah, CoffeeZilla. You heard of him, right?
Yeah.
You've seen his videos, right? He nearly single-handedly, he's still there, he single-handedly wrecked the entire Steam market. Nearly, almost. Hope he's still there. Case opening make me boring. You still there, bro? I think he's taking a shower or whatever. That is so wild. That is so spicy AF. And it's so weird that the Valve just stays silent. I don't even understand right after the Shanghai Major. Oh yeah, wait. Let me just recheck on that. Recheck on that. Yes, that's a total loss on the victims, by the way.
Well, so that was expensive, right?
What?
The 57, is it?
557 something. That is spouse card. Yeah, of course. Oh yeah, it's a hybrid. A hybrid. Feels tested. This guy CoffeeZilla has almost single-handedly wrecked the entire. Even after the major, single-handedly wreck the entire, the entire Steam market. That is insane. By uploading 3 videos and have a total of 20 million views. That is so unreal. That is one of the craziest, that is one of the craziest, that was one of the craziest dramas I ever seen in Counter-Strike history. Guess so. I have to open this, but maybe later. I'll collect them anyway.
You want to open that one?
Probably, but no. It'll destroy the pity, and like resetting the pity from square one. It's so. Don't worry, that's the from restaurant. The pity will clear out if I open any case. That's my theory. That's my current theory. When it comes to opening 400 cases, have to be the same case.
Oh, what? Oh,
400 case from the same case. Any case won't do. Have to be the same case. And you don't have to open it. That's my theory right now. It's my current theory. If that theory doesn't work, I'm going nowhere when trying to get my shit back.
Yeah. Still
okay,
watching.
you still okay? Let's continue opening cases. Okay?
I wish this is gonna get your cookery knife. For real. Let's go.
Look,
This is your lap, bro. Let's go. This is your lap for real, bro.
Like, please give me the knife so I could.
Oi! I saw that purple.
I don't mind if there was a purple or red.
Okay, bro. This is gonna be your luck, bro. For real.
It's not. It's another. Oh shit! If it's another. If it's another. Right. A blue sea of fucking. It's another blue fucking sea. It's another fucking blue sea. Come on.
Wow,
What
the
is?
skins.
It translates to nothing. Oh my god! Even writing a knife is not available. Please. Damn it. You have response so damn it, Valve. You should have response sooner after that.
Ui, I saw.
Don't
where's
mind it. I don't mind. Fucking don't mind. Even there's no operation. I didn't get info. There's no operation in CS2.
But I saw the rate already, bro.
Yeah, I thought it would be something like Valorant's system. You get the so-called first season, the second season, but now it's like for about the 7th season in the game. There's no fucking battle pass or something, or pass or something, or even more maps, or even better map pools. So, what did you just do? Absolutely do nothing after uploading Queen.
Better be your luck, bro. I guess usual to open the dream night case. I guess that case is very what we call is it
Rare,
very
rare
lucky.
but not
Yeah,
expensive. Rare but not expensive. Minimal
Yeah,
wear.
but
It's Star Trek minimal wear. Imagine it was factory new. Imagine if it was factory new. Ice cream hot.
It's gotta be your luck for the. God bless you, bro. Let's go. God bless you, bro.
I bet God. No, the skin gods is about. The skin gods of CS are dead. Oh, we need some hope.
But this fucking Glock gain. It's okay, it's okay. Trust your luck, trust your luck. Tapi
I'm losing hope, man. I'm going to have
don't
burn
lose
out.
hope. Trust your luck. Just
Yeah.
keep trusting your luck. That's it.
Hala Tina. Wait.
Bro.
Do I have less? Okay. Cookie knife. This one, cookie knife. Ay.
Is it CS right now cannot open for 10 in the same time?
What?
Cannot open the case for 10 which is in one time.
You mean like a gacha style, okay? Like gacha style, like Genshin Impact or even Warring Waves. Like tenfold.
10 case in
no.
once.
You can, but no. This is just cosmetics, just like Infinity Nikki. I was gonna call you a Nick in this case. Alright. Lucy again. My so fucking ruin my. It's gotta
be your
Lucy. It's a Lucy. I'll just rush it. It's just so boring in the way. Yeah, of course.
Okay, bro. It's still purple color still luck rather than blue color.
It's they say it's for about 30%. Oh.
And the dream nightmare for real. I guess your luck in that box. Probably. You should open that case,
At least when it, speaking of dreams and nightmares, you can actually rent the old skins from from old cases. By the way, that's good. But knives are off limits from Valve unless you better spend $100 on it. To rent a fucking knife. Ah.
Okay, bro. You're not. Your luck becomes once next day for real. I'm gonna
Yeah.
open others case or what?
Whatever. At least I better wait. Patience is a virtue.